Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. And if anyone left their phone at Smashing Crab, Deputy Laura has it. It is in the 187 District Court.
Wait, do you happen to know where the state's file is?
Renee,
Welcome to today's courtroom breakdown. Hold on tight, because we've got an intense case on our hands. We're about to dive deep into the state versus Eduardo Jose Medina, a case with serious charges and even more serious consequences. Will Medina walk away with a slap on the wrist, or will he face hard time behind bars? Stay tuned, because the drama's about to unfold in this courtroom battle. Let's introduce the key players. The defense attorney, Andrew Harrison, representing Mr. Medina, and the state, with their case against him. But what's really at stake here? Let's break it down.
Very much.
counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor, I have.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Medina, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Whoa, did you hear that? The judge is making it clear. Medina is at a crossroads. He's being asked if he understands the seriousness of this decision. He's signing away rights, including the right to a jury trial. Imagine being in his shoes. Would you have given up your right to a trial in exchange for a plea deal? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear from you.
From 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Sure.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges?
Let's not forget, this case isn't just about the law. It's about people's lives. The victim here, Madison Canales, has been seriously affected by this collision. $6,000 in restitution is being discussed. Sure, Medalla might be able to pay, but how does that even begin to compensate for the emotional toll this has taken? Sometimes money can't buy justice.
Right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution of $6,000 to Madison Canales and or Matt is this Canales? Okay. $6,000 restitution to Madison Canales and or Matt Canales. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Here's a kicker. Medina's defense attorney is now pushing for a lighter sentence. 7 years of probation instead of jail time, along with community service and a driving safety course. But there's no guarantee the court will follow the state's recommendation. The judge still has the final say, and this isn't over yet. If you were the judge, what would your decision be? Would you lean towards compassion, or do the crime and punishment need to match more closely?
There's a community service restitution, no contact with the complainants, and the driver's safety and aggressive driving course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you?
Let's pause for a second to talk about something important, the plea bargain. In the courtroom, a plea bargain is like a negotiation where both sides come to a settlement. Medina has agreed to the conditions, but here's the catch. He's not allowed to appeal if the court follows through. This could mean the end of the line for his legal battle. How do you think this impacts his future? Share your thoughts below.
The right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and...
Remember, the victim here is Madison Canales. $6,000 restitution sounds like a lot of money, but the emotional scars, those take much longer to heal. This case isn't just about the money. It's about ensuring the victim receives the support they need and holding the defendant accountable for their actions. Can money really fix what happened here? Let's talk about it.
Then an order of food at Chick-fil-A. And I went to go pick it up. And after he pulled through the line, he encountered the pedestrian. I believe it was a high school kid that was on lunch break. And he did stop. He did get out of his car to check on us. And then I think hit.
Take a look at this moment. Medina's defense attorney is pulling for some sympathy, describing the incident as an accident, not malicious intent. But was it really just an accident, or was there more to it than meets the eye? The fact that he fled the scene raises so many questions. Was he just scared, or did he know exactly what he was doing? What do you think? Tell us in the comments.
My client is a U.S. citizen. He has some criminal history, but I mean, that this was not an act of malice. I think it truly was an accident. I think he probably got scared. Maybe fled the scene. Stupid.
So when is he paying this? When are you paying this $6,000?
As soon as possible.
What does that mean?
Under a year?
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm a sous chef at Instant.
All right, how much are you able to pay per month towards this $6,000?
Say 600, 700.
Here's a little twist for you. Medina has now agreed to a payment plan for restitution, but here's the catch. $500 a month. Is that enough? Can he really afford it? Do you think this payment plan is fair, or should it be higher? Let us know your take on this in the comments. This part of the case is far from over.
$500.
Are you sure?
Definitely.
100%.
100%. Right.
Okay. Do you have any children?
No, you're right.
All right. Probation, there's a $500 fine that will be probated. There's a restitution of $6,000 to be payable to Madison Canales or Matt. Is the Matt the father?
Yes, you're on.
All right. It's to be payable to Madison Canales or Matt Canales. And
Okay, so the plea deal has been finalized. The defendant will serve probation instead of jail time. No jail, but with serious restrictions. What does this tell us about the state's approach to crime and punishment? Is probation a fair alternative to a sentence, or is this a get-out-of-jail-free card? I want to hear from you in the comments.
Yes, I understand you.
And probation, if you make sure that the restitution is paid first, 7 years deferred adjudication, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, 200 hours of community service restitution. Those 100 of those hours will be deemed satisfied upon completion of the driver's safety course. The remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied if you decide to obtain.
Now that we've seen how this case is playing out, it's clear this plea bargain is a way for both sides to avoid a full trial. But will Medina stay on the straight and narrow? Probation and restitution are huge obligations. The next few months will be critical for him. This case is not over yet, but will the court's ruling hold up? Let's keep an eye on it.
He needs probation. Is there anything else you need in order to be successful on this probation?
No, you're right.
All right. Did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you. In order to be successful in this court on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, let probation know. If something happens and you're not able to make that payment, you need to let them know, and you need to have a good reason why. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. Just remain in the courtroom. Probation will go over conditions with you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr.
All right, thank you. You too. All right, Deputy Laura. Gary Churick has his phone.
Okay, we sent it to court address that open.
Okay.
I thought it's Mr. President.
Deputy Laura, so should we leave?
No,
Not yet.
Okay.
this is longer basically people are
No. We.
not the jury.
Court is calling 2023 CR 10151 State versus Amber Nicole Lopez. Can I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Matthew Brown for the defense.
And are you Ms. Lopez?
Yes.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Amber Nicole Lopez who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 10151 for the offense of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on January 8th, 2024 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
The state is proceeding on the first amended motion. And
Just 1 second. Let me see if I can find the first amended motion. Do you all have the first amended motion?
I do have a copy.
Thank you. Did you review the first amended motion with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right. Oh, here you are, State. I just needed to make sure she reviewed it. Thank you. All right, State, you may proceed.
Violation of condition number 4. On or in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Amber Nicole Lopez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Truth.
And then violation of condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Amber Nicole Lopez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, March, and April 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We waive and abandon the remainder for that.
Any objection?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 4 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 6 years in the prison and up to $2,000 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 4 and 4?
Yes.
Court will find 4 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, the state is asking that you revoke the defendant's community supervision and sentence her to 4 years in the prison.
Is that the agreement?
It is, Judge. There was some other,
So she does have misdemeanor cases pending. She's to plea on one of those cases, and then the state is going to take into consideration 2025 DC 0066. Sorry.
And let me ask you all this. So the case that she's to enter a plea and she hasn't done that yet?
correct.
All right. So once I sentence her here, that's, the other court will do what it will do. So probably it's better practice for the 225 to be taken in consideration with that case. And you can notate for the record what she is to plea to and what you all would be taking in consideration once she enters a plea into that case. All right. And so what is she to plea to as a part of this agreement?
Well, I'm trying to get to.
Oh, no problem.
If as part of the agreement, she's to plead to 2025 CC 006886. And once she enters a plea on that case, the state will take into consideration clause number 2025 CC 006609 and 2025 CC 006889.
Right. Did you understand that to be the agreement that your attorneys have reached?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes. Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right. Probation, did she, and state you may be excused, probation, did she pay the restitution to Elmendorf for drug testing?
Judge, I don't see restitution was listed on the court summary.
All right, thank you. All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, grant the motion, give you credit for any time served. I request the therapeutic community. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement. Oh, I'm sorry. Just one moment. There's to be no contact with Ramon, Ramon, Abraham Garcia, and no unsupervised contact with minors. And those were previous conditions that the court had set for you. Did you review the document, again, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, so here,
Well, folks, the ruling is in. Medina's plea is accepted, and he's given a second chance with probation. But as we've seen, probation isn't always a free pass. There are heavy conditions, and if he messes up, it's back to square one. What do you think? Was justice served? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.